This is the story of Erin, a single mother facing hardship, who stumbles upon a disturbing secret in the small town of Hinckley. Despite her own struggles, Erin's strong sense of justice compels her to investigate, uncovering that the powerful Pacific Gas and Electric Company, PG&E, is poisoning the town's water supply. Working alongside her lawyer, Ed Masry, Erin faces an uphill battle against a massive corporation known for its influence and resources. She tirelessly gathers information, speaking with the sick residents of Hinckley, and eventually unearths the shocking truth: PG&E knowingly contaminated the water, causing severe illnesses and even death, all to save money on proper waste disposal. They then attempted to cover up their actions by buying the affected homes. Despite lacking legal expertise and facing immense pressure, Erin's determination and genuine care for the people of Hinckley become her driving force. She and Ed, initially a small local law office facing financial strain, bravely take on PG&E. Erin's relentless work and the compelling stories of the poisoned residents eventually lead to a landmark lawsuit. After 5 long and arduous years, their efforts culminate in a courtroom where a judge orders PG&E to pay a staggering $333 million to the people of Hinckley, the largest settlement of its kind in U.S. history. This victory not only provides much-needed compensation to the victims but also inspires hope for ordinary people fighting against powerful corporations. Furthermore, PG&E is forced to stop poisoning the water, saving countless lives. While the settlement provides Erin and Ed with financial security, Erin chooses to continue working at Ed's office, remaining true to her unconventional ways. Her focus shifts to helping other ordinary individuals battling against large companies, her courage and hard work continuing to make a significant difference in the lives of those who need it most.